So now we will going to cover another statement in a Python, that is Elif. Elif is also an important statement. So let me show you, okay, how it works. So imagine you have a plate of cookies. Okay, imagine you have a plate of cookies and you want to share them with your friends based on their age. You have a different categories for different age groups like little kids, big kids, and teenagers. Okay, the Elif statement helps you decide which category your friends belongs to. The Elif statement helps you decide which category your friends belongs to. So here's a simple explanation in a Python language. Huh? In this example, we have a variable called friend age that stores the age of your friend. The program uses the if, elif, and else statement to determine which category your friends belongs to. The first condition is friend age is less than 6. If your friend age is less than 6, then code block inside the if statement is executed. So if your friend age is not less than 6, the program is actually moved to the next condition, which is friend age is less than 12. If your friend age is less than 12 but not less than 6, the code block inside the elif statement is executed and it means you are a big kid. If both of the previous condition are false, it means your friend age is 12 or older. In that case, the program moves to the else statement and the code block inside it is executed and it prints, hey, you are a teenager. Okay? So using the elif statements helps you categorize friends into different age groups based on the age. It's like putting each friend in the right groups so that everyone gets the right label. So I hope this explanation help make the elif statement easier to understand. Let me know if you have any further question. So we will move to the next part of that tutorial that will gonna explore loops. See you soon. Take care.